Everyone, Jerry Kirk here with another tip to grow your online business. And this time, I'm going to show you how you can get paid while growing your list. Wouldn't that be awesome, right? Have your advertising covered to grow your list and even profit on top of that. That would be cool. So I got this tip from this past weekend. I went to a Freedom to Experience event put on by Lifestyle Design International, which to me is like the premier community for entrepreneurship online. And one of the speakers there, Jonathan Manziel, who's a great guy, gave me a lot of great advice. He is an email list marketing guru. He's been doing this for over a decade. He's sent out hundreds of thousands of emails. He's got millions of people on his lists. Like, this guy lives and breathes email marketing. So when he talks, you want to pay attention. One of the gold nuggets that he provided to me is a way to grow your list and get paid to do so, right? So I have a fairly small list. I have a few thousand people on it, and I want to reach a lot more people. I want to impact a lot more lives. And like everyone else, money is always a constraint. So he suggested to basically find affiliate offers that you can promote and gather emails in front of those offers, right, to build your list. Not too bad, right? Not too complicated. So that's what I'm starting to do. I'm creating a funnel in ClickFunnels, which is my preferred funnel building tool, and pretty much the number one tool out there online. There's other ones too. I have OptimizePress for WordPress. But what I'm doing is I'm creating an opt-in page where I gather the email address, and then I just simply redirect onto another affiliate offer. Not too bad. So the key here for me is to find affiliate offers that are going to work, right? They're obviously going to be effective at growing your list and helping you earn some income. So I look at for four things in any particular affiliate offer. One is, first off, it's something that I feel good about promoting, when I'm willing to put my name behind, because I'm trying to build relationships with my audience, with my list, right? I want them to know, like, and trust me. So this is a long-term thing, not just a quick buck. So make sure it's stuff that you feel good about putting your name behind. Secondly, it has to have enough earning potential, right? So I'm looking for something where I can get at least $100 per person who signs up. I mean, I could set the bar a bit lower, but there's some really good offers out there where you can, particularly with upsells, you can earn some really serious commissions, right? We know that for those of you who are in LDI, we know all about that, right? There's some really great upsells where you can earn thousands of dollars of commissions through LDI. Thirdly, I need to be able to promote it on Facebook. So something like a work from home type income offer is not going to be okay on Facebook. And the reason I want it to work on Facebook is I know I need to learn and develop my skills in Facebook for my other products and services, including LDI and my Instagram course and stuff like that. And frankly, Facebook is the place to do advertising on the internet, right? It's just something I need to learn. Wait, was there anything else I was going to think about? I think that was it. Well, I think the fourth thing was it has to convert well. So it may be a great offer in terms of money potential, but if it doesn't convert, then I'm not going to earn anything, right? So demonstrate proof that it's converting well. So having looked at a bunch of different sites like ClickBank and others for potential products, I didn't find anything that I was really happy about. Didn't meet all those four criteria. And then I thought, well, actually, I know ClickFunnels has an affiliate program, so I took a look at that, and wow, they have several products. Some are books, some are webinars, some are free trials to their products, and most of them you can earn up to $1,000 per sign up through their upsell process. So, like, number one, they're products that I really like. In fact, I use them. I'm on Russell's podcast for close to a year now. I have his Expert Secrets book, which is a game changer. You really need to read that if you haven't, about how to grow your tribe online and build a movement to impact the world. This is Russell Brunson, right? So these funnels convert really, really well. No issues there. And he makes it really easy So I'm all set, I'm all excited, I'm all psyched to promote these products and to build my list. And obviously these are products that are going to appeal to people that are in my target audience, online entrepreneurs, people trying to make an income online. On top of that, there's one more cool thing that I discovered, I didn't realize was there, is he has a free affiliate academy. And through this academy, you basically learn how to market the affiliate stuff from ClickFunnels. And of course, learning these skills for ClickFunnels applies to anything that you want to market, including your own stuff. So there's a video training, there's email swipes, they walk you through how to create your funnel, how to do Facebook ads, how to create your email list. There's Facebook copy, there's Facebook ad images you can use. Obviously you can do some of your own stuff, but they really take a lot of the heavy lifting out of how to promote their affiliate program, which in turn gives you some really great training for your own stuff. So my recommendation to you is, if you'd like to build your list and earn while building, sign up for his free traffic academy or free affiliate academy. You don't even have to have the ClickFunnels product to sign up. You can be an affiliate without their product, though I highly recommend getting ClickFunnels. It makes creating funnels so much easier. You're also going to need a mailing list if you don't have one yet. The one that I use, and of course you can use any of them, is Aweber. So I'll put a link as well in the show notes for you on that. And then just follow the training, just step by step. I'm literally copying and pasting the email swipes. There's like 7 days of email swipes for this one product, and I'm focusing on the Funnel Hacks product, which is the one that they start with in the training. And I'm literally just going to set up this campaign in Aweber, send it to my current list, and then I'm going to drive some Facebook traffic to it to get started. And based on that, I may do some other ClickFunnels affiliate offers. So super excited about this. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, I'd love a comment below. And if you would like more tips like this, I'm really just getting started. There's a lot of cool things that I learn each and every day. And I haven't been great about sharing, but I'm going to change that. So if you're on YouTube, subscribe. If you would like to be in my Facebook group, where I'm also posting really cool content a few times a week at least, hopefully more as I get into this, comment below and I'll add you to the Facebook group. And if you've got some tips as well to grow a list, I'd love to hear them. So have a good day and get to action growing your online business.